Welcome to the stunning shores of Sopot Beach, the crown jewel of the Polish Riviera. It is a glorious summer day here in 2026, and the energy along the Baltic Sea is absolutely electric. In today's immersive 4K walking tour, we are exploring the world-famous Sopot Pier and the vibrant coastline to bring you the very latest in summer fashion and beach lifestyle trends. Sopot has long been a destination where elegance meets the ocean, and this year is no exception. As we stroll along the golden sands, you'll see a breathtaking display of the newest bikini fashion and swimwear styles dominating the season. From chic, minimalist silhouettes to bold, vibrant neon sets and sophisticated crochet cover-ups, there is so much style inspiration to take in. But it's not just about the outfits, it's about the atmosphere. The sparkling blue water, the historic architecture of the Grand Hotel in the background, and the sun-drenched boardwalk create the perfect runway for European summer style. We've captured every detail in high-definition 60 frames per second to make you feel like you are walking right here next to us, feeling the sea breeze and soaking up the sun. This video is designed to be your ultimate summer escape. Whether you are looking for your next vacation outfit or just want to experience the beauty of Poland's most famous beach, you are in the right place. So, sit back, relax, and enjoy this journey until the very end. If you love travel, high-end fashion, and beautiful beach vibes, please make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to join our global community. Now, let's begin our walk through the heart of Sopot.